Welcome back to AppGeeker's channel. Here's Yanis from AppGeekers.com, and in this video you will get a few useful tips when your iPhone says no service or searching. The keywords include restarting your iPhone, turning airplane mode on and off, and checking your coverage area. First thing first, I want you guys to power off your iPhone once you see the no service or searching notification at the top of the screen. I use iPhone 6 here, so I just press and hold the side button. Then drag the slider to turn it off. Make sure it's totally off. Now go ahead to eject your SIM card. Locate the SIM tray. Gently press the paper clip into the hole until the tray pops out. Pull it out. Remove the SIM card for a check, and then put it back in. Now turn your iPhone back on. And hopefully your iPhone is able to reconnect with your carrier and restore the service so that you can use the cellular data and make calls. Of course, if your SIM is damaged or doesn't fit in the tray, you need to contact your service provider to get a new one. If the iPhone is still no service or searching, check for a carrier settings update. First, connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network. Then go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General, tap About. Here wait for 10 to 15 minutes. If new carrier settings become available, you will get a notification and just tap Update. But most of the time, carrier settings are up to date and nothing happens this way. So next, reset your network settings. In Settings, tap General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode. And again tap Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone deletes your Wi-Fi networks and password, cellular settings, VPN and APN settings you've used before. Try to do this twice. If this doesn't work, update your iPhone. Install it to the latest version of iOS to fix iPhone saying no service issue and other iOS bugs. Again, open Settings app, tap General, tap Software Update. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. Provided the no service is still displaying on your iPhone screen or the update is stuck, try to use iOS system recovery software. The program can troubleshoot software-related issues with your iPhone and download the iOS firmware so that you can connect to a cellular data or cellular network. We have a link in the description below. So launch the software on your computer. Click More Tools. Click iOS System Recovery. Click Start. Now connect your iPhone to your computer. Once it's connected, choose Standard Mode. It's good enough for minor software problems, like your iPhone saying no service or your iPhone saying searching. Click Confirm. Now select an iOS firmware for your iPhone and download it instantly. Wait for the download to finish. And once done, click Fix to remedy the issue. It's all that simple. The next fix is to turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe up from your iPhone's home screen to Review Control Center, and then turn on airplane mode. Then turn it off. Turn on and off. On and off. Do the same for your Wi-Fi. Turn it off and then turn back on. If your iPhone is still says no service or is constantly saying searching, contact your service provider to ensure that your account is active and in good standing, and verify that your iPhone isn't blocked from receiving cellular service and is set up with the right data plan. Now you come to the last step, checking hardware issue. If your iPhone says no service after dropping on the floor or getting wet, the network IC may be damaged. You need to go to Apple Store for a check and repair. So this has been what to do when your iPhone says no service and why this happens. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe to get new videos in the first time. Have a wonderful day.